Alright, happy Saturday guys. Oh my god. You're getting a snowstorm again here in Ontario. Wow, look at that guys. The snow falling in my face and it's quite heavy. So yeah, Saturday we're going to have dinner later. So yeah, okay. But it's still like nice. So okay. Yeah, alright. See you later guys. I did shopping at Gap guys, because like today's the last day of like no tax for the cake, so I shop a little bit here, drive home, and we're going to have dinner outside. I post Valentine celebration. Yeah. Okay, see you at home guys. We're going to drive with this crazy snow now. It's not bad. Okay, I'll turn it on.
We don't have fuel. How come we don't have fuel?
Yeah, we're going to have dinner now guys. Snowstorm guys for our dinner. Look at that. Oh my gosh, heavy snow guys. It will be heavy until tomorrow. Yeah, I will help you. Into the store. There is store. Downtown is really good. So good. Yeah, it's hot. Okay, try it. It's appetizer. How's that? It's good. What did you put? Medium. What did you put? This one? What is this? Cream cheese?
It's one of those ones you can't touch the feel or smell or
No,
What's that?
I put that in.
Salsa. Did you eat dinner? Lunch, I mean?
You're too close.
Oh, yummy. So medium. It's a medium rare.
Get your phone out. Like, it's gonna.
Can I see your face?
This is Angel's food. Look at me, nak. Eliza's food. Okay, give it to me. Eliza's food there. It's a carbon medium rare steak. So hey guys, this is my food. It's a steak and lobster tail. So yeah, this is a free Valentine, post Valentine. Okay, Chris, give it to me. Looks so yummy. No, we're good. Okay, we'll take picture first. So let's eat now, guys. We're going to have dinner now. I wanna see if Angel likes her pasta. Hopefully.
She's had that before. She loves it.
How is it, Angel?
Maybe the flavor in the bottom.
Need to mix it up.
Sauce.
Liza, you eat it now. How is it? How is it? It's good? Yeah, first like cheese. Gonna take it now. Mine is steak, so we're going to eat. Close your mouth. I don't think so. This is a lobster. So good.
It's too close.
Angel. Liza. Chris. Right, so Angel didn't finish hers. She's going to have it for like tomorrow meal. Liza almost finished hers. Liza.
Not gonna lie, the first taste was so good. They should have mixed it before putting it.
Mine.
Their appetizer was so good. The white people.
Liza. So we're done eating, guys. Alright, be careful, guys. It's slippery, yeah. Alright, so we're done eating, guys, here in Piper Arms. Look at me, Liza.
This is what Canada is.
Yeah. Now, do you like Canada, Liza?
Yes.
You still like Canada. You still like Canada, even if it is like
Where are you going?
snowing. Eh.
Sana mag-summer na, pataka-jogging ako.
Knocks naman. Okay, so look at that, guys. It's heavy snow. Angel, smile.
I can't smile!
I said, Angel, smile. I said, I can't smile.
It's so cold.
So we're going to Walmart, guys. I'm going to show you the road. How crazy the snow now is. Look at that. There's a snowstorm right now. we're here in Walmart, guys. Ayan si Liza, shopping. Umbrella. Tignan ko nga. Open this. Kapangit.
Hindi, okay, ma'am. Ano sa'yo? It's up to you. Dito, ganyan. Wala man ako nakikitang tao nga umbrella.
No, nagkatawanan kami na dito sa mga.
Kahit gaulan, hindi sila mag-umbrella. Grabe. Tapos nagbaligya pa sila umbrella.
Hairbrush, dalarama ka na hairbrush ka.
Akin bibilin ko po.
Yeah, because you want that. Nice size. Okay na yan. Okay na yan. This is like that. Okay, that's it. 85. Alright, girls went to inside of the store and we're waiting here. I don't know what they shop, but yeah, it's almost 9 o'clock.
8:41.
It's quiet now here. At least it's kind of like stop the... Much the snow, guys. Look at that. This is snow. Alright, nasa bahay na kami, guys. Close the curtain and then, yeah. Right, home sweet home, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Have a good night. That's our Saturday dinner out. Bye.